Our markets have been under pressure for 7 straight sessions now, wherein the Nifty's lost more than 400 points. That's about a 5% gap. The mid-caps have underperformed, and the Bank Nifty's lost close to about 6.5%. At that 8,000 level where we are standing right now, it is an important resistance level. There has been a fair amount of build-up as well in the futures and options space, which suggests that it will, the markets will try and defend that 8,000 level. But generally, the internals are so weak that any bounce in the markets will be used perhaps to sell into. So we will try and defend that 8,000 level at least for the near term, but there is a likelihood that perhaps it will be sold into. With respect to the internals, because very often we have the mid-caps underperforming, the advanced decline ratio is generally negative, well in favor of the losing side. The FIs continue to remain sellers. So yesterday as well, the FIs sold close to about 645 crore in the cash market, even as the DIs more than offset it. But generally, we track the FIs selling in the cash market, and that has been a negative and will remain as an overhang. One overhang which we were watching very closely was with respect to that MSCI June review, where the expectation or the possibility was that the China A shares will get included. If it did get included, then India's weightage would have come down. However, as of now in the MSCI review, they've indicated that they've deferred the decision. There are certain investability issues for the China A shares, so that will take time to resolve. So the street expects the earliest it could happen will be, by the end of 2015. So as of now, that technical overhang gets lifted on our markets, which in the sidelines is positive, and that will be used by, the traders and the investors as an excuse to defend that 8,000 level. But we'll see how it goes. Generally, we're tracking the monsoon, progress in the monsoon, as well as the economic data, which will be out towards the end of the week on Friday. We've got the IIP data, which we'll be looking at very closely.